Infiniti FX35 from 2003 to 2008, same thing on the FX45. Other Nissan or Infiniti models might apply it. We have a passing airbag light, so we're going to try to fix the airbag issue. This is the light here. I will use the scanner at this time to scan to see if what is the code and try to solve this issue. Make sure your hands are discharged from any electricity like static. It might deploy the bag and it might injure you. So use caution when you're working with airbags. If you're not comfortable, go get some professional help for you. The dealer can do it for you. Okay, we're going to start the car again. Hopefully this time the code is gone, or the blinking light is gone, and voila, airbag issue with light blinking, it was fixed. I hope this video helped you out.